And this doesn't start the lesson to the students yet. This gives the teachers time to set up what they need to for the lesson, and then when they want to open it to their students, they'll do so through the HoloLens, which Ryan will show you eventually. So now once they're streaming to it, they'll connect to their HoloLens and full screen this, which now it's streaming to YouTube.
Okay, so this is the same low latency viewer we showed you last time, which is what will begin to be streamed to our YouTube video. So the first thing you'll see is this enter your PIN screen, which one of the challenges we faced was how to easily identify the teacher from inside the HoloLens without having a complex password entry system. So we allow, and we'll show you this later, the teacher to enter a simple numeric digit PIN to tie to their account. I can't do that. So we've created this simple to use menu that allows them to enter a simple numeric PIN. For example, mine is 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you see a little loading screen as it's communicating with our database and the server, you'll see it's identified me as Ryan Cornelli, and my classroom is physics 101. So I can go into that classroom and now check for the lessons I have that are part of the classroom. Here what we're going to show you, which is what we're streaming to YouTube, is lesson 2, so I can open that lesson as well. And now you'll see for a second the chat box will come on showing previous student questions. We'll show you that in a second. But after a couple seconds of non-responsive questions that will disappear. So now I can bring up my menu, show menu, show menu. And here's our menu. This is very similar where you can pin this to lock it in place. We can generate some shapes. Okay, so that pin you think doesn't work. So similar like for close to them, but you can drag, you can not drag, you can not drag. However, on the rotate, show menu. Why is the Boolean flip? That was very weird. Show menu. What did it start with? Okay, that's interesting.
But because I actually made a major for make it simple, so it's not actually the Boolean with the hand-drag.
But I don't know why it booted up for the first time with it as you have to rotate all the time. Okay, that's what you're talking about. Okay, so similar to before, you saw I can drag, I can rotate, and here, if I want to show some textual reference material that'll keep fine, I can make these, and you'll see that will pop up. I'll follow the headlines. Now if I bring up the menu again, show menu, show menu. The reference material, show menu, show menu. This is what our experience with Windows is. You want to try it then twice and then finish the second time. So now I'm actually going to start my lesson so that students will be able to see that. I will make it visible on the student view page. And the next thing we're going to do is, if I'm giving this nice lesson about general relativity, we've created this cool space-time demo to help better illustrate that. Show menu. So now we're going to go and select new hologram, which we call space-time. So here, over here, I have to take a little walk so you can better see this. We've generated this kind of to simulate this cloth as the fabric of space-time with planets that we can use to simulate how massive objects affect space itself. So you can see that when I drag the Earth into the cloth, you can see it makes a little indentation in space. So we can actually show that what gravity is the result of this indentation in space that causes the moon to follow the Earth around this little indentation as it rolls along. So Earth's orbit is really just the moon rolling along this indentation in space created by the mass of the Earth. So maybe I talk about general relativity for a bit, and then I want to give students a quiz, but not yet, because first we're going to talk about, Alex is going to ask a question because she really doesn't understand how this works. So you'll see that the second she types a question, it will automatically pop up. And you'll also see that you can ask questions as anonymous if you don't want to be identified and have your name visible to all the other students in the class. And you'll see it goes away automatically if there's no questions. And I'll enter another question, so it'll pop back up. So now I answer the questions, and maybe I want to test how well the students receive this information, so I want to do a little quick multiple choice quiz to test their knowledge. So I'm going to bring up the menu again, show menu, and we're back here, and I'm going to go to the quiz page. Now Alex is going to switch over to the student lesson view so we can show what taking the quiz looks like.
So in the student view, obviously you have the last one here, we have about a 12-second delay. But before we start the quiz on the highlight, we're going to go through some of the student view pages. So we'll have reference material down here that the teacher is using in the highlight. Students can look through. They also have appropriate URLs so that the students can find more information. They can on their own time, so they can step through those. This is where students are asking questions, and if they want to automatically refresh if other students are asking questions, in case they're here, they will be able to do that anonymously. So when the quiz is started from the HoloLens, obviously you don't want students asking questions back and forth or referencing reference material, so all of this will get locked up while the quiz is there. So Brian goes ahead and starts the quiz.
So all I'm going to do right now, you can probably see from the live stream, is I'm going to click quiz to start the quiz. And you'll see it'll start blinking red when the quiz has started.
Then I'll go down here, the quiz will pop up, it'll give me an end time, and I'll also have a timer countdown. So I'll go after that and answer, so if I is 15, go to the next question, and let's say answer is wrong, so my answer is 37, then I'm going to go ahead and complete quiz. This will stay locked until the quiz is completely over, and then this will go away and run through all the questions, which we are going to save for the next topic. We'll do one more.
Yeah, that's fine. So now let's pretend that the quiz is ended, even though we've got about 30 seconds left. So now we can go to the teacher page. And we can hide this stream for a second. So now here I am logged in as the teacher. You can see these are the lessons I created that also showed up in the HoloLens. And now I can click this little chart icon to see the results of the quiz. So here we are in... Oh yes, I was just... Okay.
So once the quiz is done, the teacher can go to the teacher page. They can select the quiz that they want. They can quiz that they want, the question that they want, say show results, and this will pop up. If they want to switch over questions, they can do show results again. So the options are down here, the answers are right next to it, and then if you mouse over, you can see how many students answered for each option. So then also here, I guess we can go to the teacher view. I know we showed this during alpha. So we can go through and do new classrooms and lessons. So if I want a new classroom for a teacher, I can't read this keyboard. Do submit. Then I can do, if I do show lessons, obviously there's no available lessons yet. I can do a new lesson. New lesson, select a date that it will be streamed, select submit. Would I like to add reference material to this lesson now? Sure. So we'll go yes. This will take us to the lesson editing page. So now I can go through and look at my quizzes and reference material. Right now I have nothing available, but I can go in and add reference, give it a title, give it some text, maybe a URL for students to access later, select submit, and now that will show up on my lesson. I can go add a quiz, and the nice thing about adding a quiz is it kind of step-by-step takes the teacher through quiz creation. So first we're going to add a title, and we're going to specify a duration that they want this quiz to last in minutes. We can go add options, or add a question. So here's my question, and now we're going to want to add options for that. I can add an option. I want to add another option. Let's say we'll make it 3. And now we're going to want to select answer. Here we can also do, I don't know if I have, okay, select answer. Yes, we're done adding options. Go ahead and select the answer for the question. Here we have our quiz questions. I can add another question if I would like, and it will bring you back through that process again, or I can just say finish quiz and add this quiz to the lesson. So now when I go show lesson quizzes, it will pop up. I can also update anything about the lesson right here. Another thing, that if a teacher first logs in and they haven't registered their PIN login for the HoloLens because it's separate from their web application login, just for security reasons, a button will show up here that says you have not logged in or registered a HoloLens PIN, so until you do so you won't be able to log in on your HoloLens, and that will redirect them to a PIN registration page. So here I'll go and update our current PIN so you can see what that looks like. And here, if they enter the PIN, it'll make sure that it's unique. If not, it'll just redirect back and show it an error message. You can submit, and that'll bring you back to the home page. Another thing that we have added since alpha is, I know that some of the OBS setup can be a little bit confusing, so we added a step-by-step FAQ page so that teachers kind of have an idea of what they're doing.
Cool.
What's left to do?
What's left to do? Currently, our quiz remaining time is not adapted for all browsers. Like Firefox, there are some little buggy things on there. And also, we are going to make few improvement on HoloLens UI, like the chat box, and also as well as reducing the number of buttons, like combining the start lesson and end lesson. That's it.
It's 13:30. Let's stop the YouTube stream.
We don't have to show that though, do we?
That's a short one.